Okay, I'm gonna show you my homemade air gun I made. It's pretty awesome. I just made it today. I'm not done with it yet. I need to attach a tire valve to the back of this and put all the PVC glue and primer on it. So it looks like this. It looks like this. See? Take a closer look. It looks something like that's the shooting tube, I guess. And then it goes over there to the ball valve, and then to some reducers to make it smaller. And then here we have the big tube right here, the air chamber, and it holds like all of the air. Then there you go. As you can see, you can take this apart right here, and you can see inside of this is the ball valve. You switch it. See? You switch it open, then close, and then the air goes. So, yeah, that's my air gun, and I'm gonna show you me shooting it when I'm done with, when I get the tire valve on. And there you go, my homemade air gun. Another look. And I use this to just shoot paintballs. It's actually perfectly alright.